The last step to set up the display page for a single event is to add the list of participants that have already subscribed to the event. To create the view, go to Structure, Views, Add View, give it a title, and then for the view settings, select CiviCRM participant and show it as a block because we want to be able to add it to the display later on. Save and add it, and you are taken to the view where you can create the different fields. After having saved the view, we created the complete view already, so it will be easier to show you. First of all, we added the contextual filters for CiviCRM participant, the event ID, because we want to show it for all events, and we want to be able to filter on it. We also added the CiviCRM contact, and we created the block settings. We want to show it as a list of participants, and we gave access to several roles. In other words, people who are not logged in are not allowed to see the list of participants. Here we can see it's a table, and we added several fields. The participant source, which we will not show, but the contact ID, which will be the name of the participant, the role of the participant, and the register date. This is all standard view functionality, so we will not dive into this. The filter criteria are the display name, and we filter on contacts that are not in trash. When we want to have an update preview of a field, we fill in the number of an event ID from CiviCRM. In this case, I will fill in event ID 5 and click on Update Preview to see what my list of participants look like. And as you can see, the field name, the role, and the register date is there. Click on Save, and you've just created the view, which can be presented as a block. All there is left to do is add this view to the single event page. Go back to Structure again, CiviCRM Entity, CiviCRM Event, Manage Display, Manage Layout, and here you add another block. We search for the view which is called Event Participants. We add this block to the page. We save the layout, and we go back to a single event to see what our page looks like now that we've added the web form and the list of participants. As you can see, event title, event start date, web form, and the list of participants for this event.